Hello everyone, MFK here. So in this video, I will share how to conduct the uh, two sample hypothesis test. In this case using the purchase order. So how to get this result using the data analysis, because in one sample hypothesis test you have doing it manually using Excel. I mean that you calculate it. We are still using Excel, but now we are using some of the features in the data analysis that we have installed earlier. Okay, for the slide number 39 and 40, we are using data purchase order. So this is the purchase order data. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to create a new column by the name of lead time. So how do we get lead time? So we minus the arrival date minus the order date. So then here you will get 6 days. As usual, we just double click, then we should get the answer for the whole data. But make sure you sort the data first. Make sure it is in the in accordance to the supplier, or else then we might not be able to conduct the two sample hypothesis test. So once you get the lead time, so click the data analysis here. We go to data tab, go to data analysis, then you will get this dialog box. So this is the features that I mentioned just now. So this is all the tests that we might be able to do in the what we call that data analysis. You still recall, then we have used this one for descriptive statistic. So here, since we are conducting the t-test, two sample assuming unequal variance, so we take this one. For the variable 1, then you have this dialog box. So for the variable one, we take this one, up until k11. Then go to variable 2 from k12, sorry, it should be k12 up until k24. K24. So that is the variable that we want to compare, because we want to compare whether the aluminum sheeting and durable product, is there any different in terms of their performance, where we are measuring against the lead time. So this one hypothesize mean is 0. So there is no difference. That is our hypothesize. If there is no difference, means that these two company they are okay. So next, this one is default. So if you still recall, some of you asked about the alpha. So this is, here we are using 5% alpha. So in this case, I will go for new worksheet. So this is the output. You can choose output range with whether at the same sheet or in the new sheet. In this case, I go for the new sheet. Then we click OK. See, you are getting this result then. So let's check whether it is comparable. So this is the thing. You see, you are getting the same result within this, the one that's shown in the slide. So here you just rename it aluminium sheeting, and then next one will be durable products. You see, that is much more easier as compared. You have to calculate it manually using Excel, using formula. So we use data analysis, immediately we will get the result. So the focus will be on this one. So let's check. So So the focus will be on this one, okay, because this is for one tail. Okay, so this the hypothesis that we are using here is a one tail, so this is the focus, okay, of our decisions, and whether we want to reject or we are not able to reject the null hypothesis. Then so how do we want to reject it? Okay, again we look into the p-value. Okay, we reject the null if the p-value is less than alpha. In this case, the p-value is less than alpha 0.05, then we reject the h0. So what does it mean? If we reject the h0, okay, rejecting the null hypothesis suggests that the average lead time for aluminum sheeting is statistically longer than durable product. Okay, so this is the data that we are talking about. Okay, so what we are doing is we compare this one, the mean of this one sample, we compare again the means of the other sample, and then we hypothesize, okay, whether there is any different in terms of lead time, the performance of these two supplier, where we measure against the lead time, and then when we have the result here, okay, we look into the p-value. Okay, since this is less than alpha 0.05, okay, so then we reject the null hypothesis, okay, which suggests that, okay, aluminum sheeting is statistically longer, okay, than the durable product, the average lead time. Okay, so I hope you able to understand, okay, the two sample hypothesis test. Okay, so see you in the next lesson.